Roberta Sapp is a forager for hickory nuts, sassafras, and knowledge. We discover how Roberta uses her skills in the kitchen and over the campfire to provide for 4 generations, and how she is still passing on what her grandparents taught her.
I love my job. I really do. Where I work at Salina Food Distribution, we give out food, then take care of our elderlies, and I love my elderlies. When I'm at work, all the elders that speak Cherokee, they look for me because they know I can speak it. That's what they like, the elders. They like to talk Cherokee to you. And it shocks them when I can. If they don't know me, it shocks them when they find out that I can speak Cherokee. Gayo tawado Kenwood ge Penar Park Jano se na Janelle Johnny ge huge doggy ka sawagi husela talno ni ge doggy ka Galko Jagilish Sudalani ge huge sawa chuj Nani ani chuj great grandsons ani ge huge Jo Skunani Nudla ge huge agi ka hes Nudla chuj agi ka hes. Say hi. He's like, what's the heck? Say cheese. The creek is, Grandpa always said, the water's medicine. Cleans your body. I've lived here all my life, born and raised here. Ran up and down this creek all my life. Lived with my grandparents. After I turned 8 years old, I was the oldest of 10 kids. I just remember them two on the porch all the time. That was their place to be, because all them people coming in and out, and it was always, hi, Grandma, hi, Grandpa. It didn't matter who it was. That's what they were called. It was special living with them. Skidda? Skidda? Right here. This is sassafras.
That one?
No, so that one. You know, skidda. Chuja yours, nus. Hello, siga you.
Kyllä,
Edu jiga ha, away here na jiga tana wot. Ji stau de hola la you na my usti on nox de ha. Skin away here na do usta. Sassafras. Go who school la yaw de tier get hena here chao de squan. Oh here can you only ost a dish to get her. A school lay or west down a school ost a dish to get her. I inherited an old basket that Grandpa and Grandma used to sift their kanuchi with. My grandma and my mom, my aunt used to come down over there where the water runs faster, and they used to clean chitlins with that basket. Growing up with my grandparents, I valued anything they told me. I love them to death, and hopefully my grandkids do. I hope they value everything that I've taught them, everything about this creek. And when my grandpa died, he said, always take care of it till you can no longer do it. And I still do it. And I do try to pass it down to my girls. And hopefully they'll keep going too. This place does keep my family together. We have a big family, cousins and everybody. We're pretty close-knit.
Usually when we have food, we have family around.
I love to cook, and every time we have a meal, I'm the one that makes the fried bread or the biscuits, and I learned that from Grandma.
My memories with my mom is this. Me and her, we cook all the time.
Anybody's welcome to eat at my place. That's how I was raised. Nobody goes hungry at Grandma's house, you know, and that's how I feel. But I love to bake. I really do. Anytime anybody calls me for a pie, I'll make it. I've taught myself how to do this. I've been doing this for a long time. I'd say like at least 30 years. And I do not measure nothing. I've made pies for so long, I can guess on how sweet I can make it. The pies and the cakes, I don't know. It just came to me. I guess I was just born to be a baker. Let's cut this pie. Crust looks good, if I say so myself. In at least I get do it again. And now I will touch aya. Skin go at a histana hinana. 86 you did here to get you Yahusa Hina, hin 88 you did here to get you Yahusa all to the Daniel Johnny Nela. Uli Helista Danta dis. Skiga Dinio, the Waka, Julis, Nayanedo, Nole, Jergido. The guardian, your good dog. Uli Helis careful.